Imagine using AI for your job search. So this is a platform, Insta Hire, which I came across a couple of days, and it's interesting the way they have created this platform. You can actually, so we have been using ChatGPT to create our resume, and we have been using all sort of different things to create the resume to videos and everything. But this platform, Insta Hire, is a bit different. Like it helps the recruiters to identify candidates using AI tools. And when I did a couple of days, I spent a lot of time to do research about how this tool is and what all things they have. I didn't find it to that extent like it's some rocket science or something. But still, when I saw the testimonial videos, right from you have testimonials from say somebody in Lenskart to somebody Amazon talking about how Insta Hire is helping them, it makes the case pretty interesting. Like for a candidate, if I can, as a candidate, can register over there, create an account, which is pretty simple. It took me just 10 minutes to create an account, and I didn't even feel that okay, this is something unusual, it is difficult to navigate. But what was interesting for me is that platform gives some different opportunities for a recruiter, which LinkedIn doesn't give. LinkedIn might also charge 15,000 for a recruiter license. To you also have the other aspects wherein, just a second, I don't know why my camera is dancing. So you have other aspects like Naukri.com, where as a recruiter you need to buy an account, which where you have only certain number of resumes that you can come across. This platform has changed the entire game, and let's try to understand what they have changed the game and how it helps a recruiter. Because any platform that helps a recruiter or HR professional is a platform a candidate or a job seeker should try for. If a recruiter is facing a difficulty on Naukri.com, no point in creating a profile on Naukri.com or say Monster or Indeed or say try a LinkedIn also. I suggest go and try to search for platforms where you have got maximum number of testimonials from recruiters, because that is the platform which recruiters are going to use it for hiring, no matter what they say or what the company says about itself. It's about the recruiter right now. So let me share you this particular. So once you go on the home page, because I've registered, you will see my dashboard over here, what I've registered and everything, my photo. And then I can say edit and I can add my LinkedIn URL. If I'm a tech person, then GitHub, then website, Dribble URL, Behance. Behance is especially good for if you are into creative and everything. Stack Overflow even for tech people, Bitbucket, Twitter URL, and save changes, diversity information. So who you are, disabled and work status. This is your work experience. So they have pretty simple questions, and that's what I'm telling you. It took me less than 10 minutes to create my profile over here, and I can upload my resume. Again, it navigates and creates my profile. Then it says, since not all will go ahead, we encourage you to apply to several companies. So over here, I can search for no matching companies found. So job functions, and then I can try to search for. But overall, my gut feeling based on, see, if you see this drop down, job profile, job functions is software, backend, data, embed, front end, full stack, mobile development, then again technical management, then data science, then design, creative, photography, video, UI, UX, human resources, generalistic, talent management, marketing, brand management. I don't see max to that extent opportunities available for say somebody into this. But let's try to search for. So okay, Akash EduTech Marketing Manager, ARM Worldwide Media Manager, Canberra Design Studio. Okay, so there are different opportunities, no doubt. I was searching in a wrong fashion. So Pratham Noble Learning Organization, non-profit publisher. So Shiprocket. So these are the places where you have. Now let me put experience of 20 years. Sorry, it's 20 years. So there's senior level. I don't find anything. 15 years. Then it's better you select only one function, because the problem is if you select multiple functions, if you narrow down search, then you won't get it. So we'll do all marketing for 15 years. So you have BPK Technologies Chief Marketing Officer, Capri Global. Now, once I know this person, so Imami is looking for head of marketing in Bangladesh. ILFL, IPG Media Brands Client Servicing Lead. IPG is a ad agency, okay. LBY, Live Your Best Life, VP Marketing. Material Depot, Marketing Executive, Quanti AI, Head of Marketing, Bangalore. Rajasan Royals, Head of Marketing, Mumbai. So let's now, for example, we liked a profile. I'm looking for somewhere in, say, Mumbai, let's say. And Devrev, account executive, it is performance market, Rajeshwar, head of marketing. So I'll say view. So in your Instamatch score, oops, your Instamatch is low. Your chances of being shortlisted for jobs are low, so it's not going to work. Now, this is what is interesting. Your match rate, it is giving you your match rate. If your match rate is not to that extent great, need not apply over here. Let's go and see other match rates. So let's see again, match rate is low. Now you'll wonder why match rates are coming low. Okay, let's go and see. Again, our match rates will be low. See, oops, your match. The reason match rates are low because you are trying to use a free version. If you go for a paid version, they will give you more facilities over here. So this is what the pro version is about. That's why it says go premium. Now, if I go click to go premium, premium profiles are shown on top of companies, 70% higher response. I shot out an email to my friends. It was awesome. 18 people signed up with my link. I am just getting started more calls from companies. So four steps for more interviews. Step one, share on LinkedIn. Step one, Gmail contacts or invite with friends. Go premium for free. Now this is if I get more people to join over here, then I get this free. Otherwise, I need to pay for premium. What was interesting in this particular, I'll just show you one particular aspect. Now, the this particular company is doing a lot of things. So these are the success stories that you see over. So success stories right from Salesforce, how it increases acceptance ratio by 3x. How Oracle supercharges hiring and boosted candidate relevancy. So there are a lot of case studies available over here. Ditch the mass mail job ads and manual resume screening, source, engage, and interview using AI. So this is what the focus is towards a recruiter. And as if I get selected using Insta Hire, I can list over here, and they will add my profile to the case study section and send me a t-shirt. It's an interesting way to re-engage with the people who have got hired, because once you get hired, okay, it's like you are using Bharat matrimony, and once you get married, you are going to delete that app. You are not going to keep that app. Similarly for Insta Hire, once I get a job, I'm not going to use that application again. I'll only use the application till I get the right job. So how do you engage with that person once that person gets hired? Any which is, they're not going to come to your platform. So this is the best way as a marketing, that they're giving some t-shirt or something to that particular person. So this keeps Inspire in their mindset, and any of their friends who's looking out for job or some new opportunities, they those particular people can also refer it. That's what I liked about this platform. Now, this is an interesting part. So, this is only for recruiters, and they have exclusive events for recruiters. I don't know whether Naukri.com is actually doing this kind of stuff, because the recruiters, so it's recruiter is like a sales agent or salesperson. You have targets of the number of people you hire. You have to pitch on, you have to do cold calls, you have to do lead generation, you have to invite people to come to office for interviews. Because when it's a sales call, you can go to their office, but when it's a recruitment, you have to get that person to your office or to some other place where they can go for interview. So it's more discreet fashion in which you work over there. So it's not at all a thankful job, it's a thankless job, which recruiters do more often. And Insta here has a lot of interesting avenues for the recruiters. That's what is interesting. So they want to become an ace recruiter, this is your stop. So they have resources for you to become a recruiter. So they have an entire academy over here. So as a recruiter, you can groom your skills, learn job ready HR skills with Insta Hire certifications, get certified. Who's upskilling on Insta Hire? So they have like certified recruitment marketing professional, certified candidate engagement expert, certified HR expert, and a lot of people have got these certifications. Insta Hire Academy. So you are not just so a company. The target audience are two levels. One is a candidate who they want to get for recruiters and make life of recruiters easy. Secondly, get recruiters to offer this particular platform. This is a two-way exercise, and they have done this in a great fashion. Like they have made recruiters like the key opinion leaders, like the great people. Why join Inspire Academy? Join our community, launch your career, build your brand. Real life examples, profile, and then build your resources. So I think that as a job seeker, you need to opt and create. So these are the tabs. You have activity tab, you have opportunities, then you have inbox. If any recruiter has sent you any message, then over here, then you have your profile section. You have a settings section where you can have your passwords and everything, and then sign out. As a job seeker, I feel it's these are the type of platforms that you need to be present on. If you're not present on this AI related, because nowadays people are going to use, and recruiters especially with like 1,000 people applying for each particular job opportunity, it is bound to happen that a recruiter needs to use AI tools. If they don't use the AI tools, it is going to make the life difficult. And this is where your keyword, the skills which you need to have, using those as a part of your keyword will become more and more important, because your selection and the sorting of CVs will happen via AI tools. So you need to first, at the first level, you need to create an resume which the AI selects for the first round of interview, and then you need to have a resume which will help the recruiter to take your resume to the manager, and then so till this journey, you are part of the machine, and machine is going to decide for you. So I think for each and every person who's looking out for job, they need to create their profile on Instagram. And recruiters, please do check out this particular application, because I know as a recruiter, the for LinkedIn you will end up paying 15,000 bucks per month for recruiter license. This is a better tool according to me. Thanks.